You want to try riding the 300?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll try riding the 250, what's it called? FZ. Let's see. FX. Wow, your clutch is up high, huh?
Yeah.
Because you sit down, or is it, what's that?
Oh, I'm up.
Your brakes.
A little bit lower.
Look at my levers. And by the way, the right lever is a 1-finger lever.
Yeah.
It's
I'm probably gonna adjust my levers down a bit.
Okay, can you push them down? Or are they loose?
No.
Okay, I'll try.
Sorry.
6-speed.
We won't go too long.
What year is this bike?
I don't know where I'm going. 20.
Oh, you gotta.
I like neutral, but it'll go. It like.
Do I give a throttle?
No.
No. Whoa, the handlebar position is so low. Tiny. Oh. The rear brake's pretty high. Down to here. Rear brake is so high and sensitive. It's like all his brakes. Oh, the rear brake is useless. It's like on or off. On or off. Whoa, it's just on or off. Ah, he fell in the ditch hole. Here we go.
Any different than the other one? Stop with the softer suspension?
I was just trying to pick up the bike more than the suspension when I rode his for like, what, 3 minutes, 4 minutes? So, yeah, super nimble, these bikes. So going on the tight off the hillside,
Yeah.
I felt it was way easier to be in control on your bike. The KTM, I feel tippy and like...
Dude, that was scaring the shit out of me.
And I was like, I hope Matt can touch the ground.
It's actually a little bit lower than my bike.
Oh, it's
Tiny,
6 low.
Tiny bit, it feels like.
Yeah. Yeah, it's harder to balance on this one.
I felt the same way.
Yeah.
But oh my god, the one finger brake is really nice.
Okay, it's nice, yeah.
I like that a lot. And just this two-stroke, you know, I was riding a gear higher everywhere.
Yeah. I know, I had to readjust all the time.
You gotta rev the piss out of this thing, gears lower. Like that's like a second gear trail for me, and this is like third and fourth.
Yeah.
It just lugs.
It just lugs, and then if you even keep it in third or fourth, you just clutch a little bit to keep it going.
And then holy fuck, when it wakes up, it's like yeah,
short power band though, right?
Wants to go.
Then you shift a lot though, pretty much. Always being that low rug. And so this thing.
You smell that?
What do you smell?
Right here. Yeah.
Oh, antifreeze, yeah. Back to what I was saying though. So yeah, super nimble. Your rear brake is freaking on or off. There's no like adjustment.
Yeah. Yeah.
You need to put a big thick spring underneath it to try to counter that.
Is that what? Cause dude, I struggle with that daily.
Yeah. So you put a spring between here and here, and the spring is just pushing down. So it's pushing. You're pushing this and a spring. Okay. No, it's on or off. It was useless. I couldn't even go down the hill without lockup or not.
It's literally
useless.
You lock your back tire up, go ahead and use the brake. Otherwise,
it's like a button.
Yeah.
Yeah, I made it up the entire hill in second.
Yes.
I should have switched the first, but at the same time, if you miss that shift, you're screwed, or it makes it worse. So I clutched the top, and so it's got enough bottom end not to stall.
Yeah, yeah.
It doesn't stall like my 450 would be. Goop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. It's fun.
Cool, yeah, it's cool, yeah. Oh, I did notice it feels so small, but it's probably your handlebars are so low.
Yeah, your handlebars are rocked forward compared to mine too.
And high, yeah.
It's getting used to it, you know.
All right, good stuff. Anyways, that was a 2019?
Not 2020.
Well, the same bike too.
Yeah.
2020 250FX Yamaha, guys, and then you rode the 2020 TPI, the XC 300. Yeah, you could see how it'd be nice to have both, huh?
Oh, dude, I'm gonna do it, I think, honestly. Yeah.
And then just the 350, just like that, but a little more power.
Yep.
But that's a good bike to have too. How much was that one?
They retail for like $11,500, I think.
So the same, they're not cheaper because it's a Yamaha.
They're not a lot cheaper, no.
No, then I would just get of course I would get the KTM.
Yeah.
Of course, you know, what am I thinking? I work with Barry anyways, of course I would.
Yeah.
KTM, or I'd get the Cowie or some Suzuki or something.
I think they're about $1,000 cheaper as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little premium on this, but it's got a nice features.
Yeah.
All right. Rock out, guys. Yeah.